Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you two websites that work together really well to help you save money on your everyday purchases, and I'll be giving you a link that will help you get $30 cash back via Rakuten. So this is the first one I want to show you. Rakuten's really helpful. When you start your shopping journey, whatever you need, you can start here and click through to various websites, and most of the shopping sites that you would think of, whether it be eBay or Chewy or Reebok or Nike, have some sort of cash back option through here. And with Rakuten, you get cash back that can be dropped right into your PayPal, or you have the option if you use American Express to convert it into reward points there, membership rewards, which is a really useful option too. One other really powerful thing with Rakuten is that you can add the extension here, and then you don't actually have to start at this site. You can go just to the site as you normally would. So say you want to go to chewy.com. Once I get there, it will let me click on the button, and if there's cash back available, there'll be a button that will pop up and it will say activate. And once the site loads, you'll see that come up. Activate up to 3% cash back. Click on it, and then it automatically tracks whatever you've done, and then it'll deposit the cash back to your account. So to sign up, follow the link in the description, and that will get you your $30 offer. But I want to show you another really powerful combination with this, which is called Slickdeals. So Slickdeals is an aggregator that allows people to post deals that they find online for you to be able to use on whatever you might be looking for. They have a very diverse assortment of items, from spices to appliances, just about everything. The front page features the deals that they think are the best, and as you start to use it more, you'll see that they have just for you based on things that you've looked at or like. So you can go directly via a front page deal, or you can search for something that you might be wanting directly, whether that's a chair or a table or any item here, and it'll give you options. But for today, I'm looking for a pair of shoes for my daughter, so I'm going to just kind of glance at the front page, see if anything sticks out to me, and if not, then I'll go through the search feature. But as I go down here, I see, oh, here's a pair of shoes for girls. She needs a pair of tennis shoes. So let's see. Girls Flexigon Energy 2 shoes, $15.99, normally $45. So that sounds like a pretty good deal. Use code FALL60. So I'll click through here. And then once it loads the website, then I'll also see, and this is where it becomes really nice, is on Rakuten, I can activate my 2% cash back now that I'm here. And then once this loads up, I can find the right size for her. So she's currently in a 2. I think I maybe want to go up a little bit. So I'll see what they have. So maybe I think a 2.5 is probably good. So I'll pick it, add to cart. View bag. And then I can, if I've forgotten the code, you can also click to copy here. But in here, enter promo code FALL60, and you can see some of my other add-ins kind of pop up here wanting to have me use coupons with them. But generally, I find these two in combination to be the most useful. And then there you go. There's the total of $15.99. So I can just go on to checkout and get these shoes. So that's how it works with basically any item. It gives you an opportunity to save quite a bit of money on your everyday type items. And anytime I can think of something that I need, I generally start here just because it can offer you quite a bit of savings. So hopefully that you found this helpful, and if it did help you in your journey, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. I'll be continuing to post money saving ideas, and we'll talk a little bit more on the professional side as well. Thanks for joining, and hope to see you next time.